Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. We are here with a very important message for all of you, so please listen to it carefully. Now we all know that we should not throw trash on the floor, right? We should always keep our surroundings clean and throw the garbage in the dustbin. But do you know why we should do that? We should do that because it keeps our environment neat and tidy. It helps in keeping the house and the streets clean. And also it is a good habit. Now I'll tell you a story. Once upon a time in a kingdom, there lived a young and naughty boy. He was a playful boy, but at the same time he was very lazy. One day he was playing in the garden, and suddenly he felt thirsty. He went to the water fountain to drink water. After drinking, he threw the plastic bottle on the ground and said, "Cleanliness is next to godliness." Then a little girl came there and saw the dirty plastic bottle and the young boy. She picked up the bottle and said, "You're wrong. You should not say cleanliness is next to godliness. Rather, cleanliness is godliness." The boy felt ashamed after hearing this. He realized his mistake and apologized to the girl. He promised her that he would never litter again. He also promised to keep his surroundings clean. The girl forgave him and both of them became friends. So my dear children, always remember to keep your surroundings clean. Don't throw garbage on the floor. Always keep your things in order. It will make your home and the place you live in a better place. Now we all know that we should always speak the truth, right? We should not lie. But do you know why we should do that? We should do that because it is the best policy. If we lie, then it will become very difficult to remember what we have said and to whom we have said. Also, lying makes our mind dirty. It is like a weight on our heart. Now, I'll tell you a story. Once upon a time in a village, there lived an honest woodcutter. He was known in the whole village for his honesty. One day he went into the forest to cut wood. Suddenly he saw a beautiful white cloth in the bushes. He took it out and found a magical lamp. The woodcutter was honest, so he went to the king and returned the cloth to the king. The king was very happy to get his property back. He offered the woodcutter a handsome reward, but the woodcutter refused to accept it. The king was surprised by his honesty and gave him the lamp as a gift. As a reward, the woodcutter was very happy and thanked the king. So my dear children, always speak the truth, never lie. It may be difficult sometimes, but always remember, if we lie, our mind becomes dirty. Now we all know that we should respect our elders, right? We should respect our parents, teachers, and all the elders in our family and in the society. But do you know why we should do that? We should do that because they have more experience than us. They have seen more of life than us, so they can guide us better. Now I'll tell you a story. Once upon a time in a city, there lived an arrogant young man. He did not respect anyone. One day he was walking on the road and saw an old man coming towards him. The old man was blind. The young man did not understand and moved forward. Suddenly the young man's foot hit the old man's foot and he fell down. The old man was hurt and the young man was scared. The young man took the old man to his home and took care of him. Later, the old man told the young man that he was not angry with him. He said, "You have taught me how to cross the road, so my dear children, always respect your elders, respect your parents, teachers, and all the elders in your family and in the society. So my dear children, always remember these things. Keep your surroundings clean. Always speak the truth and respect your elders. And always remember, we are here with many more interesting stories and videos. So stay tuned and keep watching our channel. Thank you and goodbye.